Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. Today's session is extremely important, especially if you are working with artificial intelligence, planning to deploy AI systems or already using AI in your organization. Our topic today is how to start ISO 42001 implementation, step by step. Now let me be very clear from the beginning. ISO 42001 is not just another ISO standard. This is the world's first AI management system standard focused on responsible, ethical, secure, and trustworthy AI. Many organizations make one big mistake. They jump straight into documentation. But ISO 42001 does not start with documents. It starts with understanding your AI, your risk, and your responsibility toward people, society, and regulators. So in this session, I will walk you through the complete journey, exactly in the order you should follow it in real life. Step 1. Understand ISO 42001 clearly. The first step in ISO 42001 implementation is understanding what this standard is really about. ISO 42001 is an AI management system standard that helps organizations use artificial intelligence in a responsible, ethical, safe, and transparent manner. It applies to organizations that develop AI, use AI tools, or make decisions using AI outputs. Before doing anything else, management and key teams must understand that ISO 42001 is not just a technical standard. It is a governance and responsibility framework for AI. Now, step 2. Identify where AI is used in your organization. Once the standard is understood, the next step is to identify all AI usage within the organization. This includes AI used in recruitment, customer analytics, recommendation systems, surveillance, fraud detection, automation tools, and even third-party AI platforms. Many organizations discover hidden AI usage during this step. ISO 42001 requires full visibility of AI systems because risk cannot be controlled if AI presence is unknown. Now, step 3. Define the scope of ISO 42001. After identifying AI usage, the organization must clearly define the scope of the AI management system. The scope specifies which AI systems, departments, locations, and services are covered. A well-defined scope is realistic, clear, and aligned with actual AI operations. Auditors rely heavily on the scope to understand boundaries of accountability and compliance. Now, step 4. Obtain top management commitment. ISO 42001 requires a strong leadership involvement. Top management must approve the AI governance approach, allocate resources, and assign responsibilities. AI risks are ethical, legal, and reputational, not just technical. So leadership ownership is essential. At this stage, organizations often create AI governance committees or appoint AI risk owners. Then we have step 5. Establish AI policy and ethical principles. The next step is to develop an AI policy that defines how the organization commits to responsible AI use. This policy addresses fairness, non-discrimination, transparency, explainability, privacy, security, human oversight, and accountability. The AI policy becomes the foundation for all AI-related decisions and controls within the organization. Now, step 6. Identify AI risk and impacts. This is the most critical step in ISO 42001 implementation. Organizations must identify AI-specific risks such as bias, unfair outcomes, lack of transparency, incorrect decisions, data misuse, and over-automation. Along with risk, organizations must assess the impact of AI on individuals, employees, customers, and society. ISO 42001 strongly emphasizes human-centric risk assessment. Then we have step 7, that is plan risk treatment and controls. Once risks are identified, organizations must decide how to treat them. This includes implementing controls such as human-in-the-loop decision-making, bias testing, explainability tools, access controls, monitoring mechanisms, and incident response procedures. All controls must directly address identified risk and be practical, measurable, and enforceable. Then comes step 8. Define roles, responsibilities, and competence. ISO 42001 places strong focus on people and accountability. Organizations must clearly define who designs AI systems, who approves them, who monitors their behavior, and who handles incidents. Employees involved in AI must be trained and competent. Unclear responsibilities and lack of training significantly increase AI risk. Then we have step 9. Document the AI management system. After governance and controls are defined, the organization documents the AI management system. This includes AI policies, risk assessments, procedures, monitoring records, incident logs, and change management processes. Documentation must reflect real practices, not theoretical intentions, because auditors look for evidence of actual implementation. Then we have step 10. Implement operational controls for AI. This step ensures AI systems are controlled during daily operations. Organizations must monitor AI outputs, manage model updates, control data changes, and detect abnormal behavior or model drift. ISO 42001 treats AI as a continuously evolving system that requires ongoing oversight. Then we have step 11. Establish AI incident management. Organizations must be prepared for AI-related incidents such as biased outcomes, incorrect decisions, or data breaches. ISO 42001 requires a clear incident reporting, investigation, root cause analysis, and corrective action process. Effective incident response demonstrates maturity in AI governance. Then comes step 12. Monitor performance and measure effectiveness. ISO 42001 requires organizations to measure how effectively AI risks are being controlled. This involves defining KPIs such as number of AI incidents, biased test results, training completion rates, audit findings, and control effectiveness. Measurement ensures AI governance is evidence-based. Then step 13. Conduct internal audit. Internal audits evaluate whether ISO 42001 requirements are implemented effectively. Auditors check compliance with policies, risk assessment, controls, training, and records. Internal audits help identify gaps and prepare the organization for certification audits. Then comes step 14. Perform management review. Top management reviews AI risk, audit results, incidents, performance data, and improvement opportunities. Management review ensures continuous improvement and confirms leadership accountability for AI governance. Now we have step 50. Prepare for ISO 42001 certification audit. In the final step, organizations prepare for the certification audit. Stage 1 evaluates readiness and documentation, while Stage 2 evaluates implementation and effectiveness. Successful ISO 42001 certification depends on intent, governance, and evidence, not on perfection. ISO 42001 implementation is a journey, not a one-time activity. It helps organizations build trust, reduce AI risk, and prepare for future AI regulations. When implemented step by step, ISO 42001 becomes a powerful framework for responsible and sustainable AI use. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative content.